Hello! Let's get started on Lesson 7, Day 6, or 7.6. And today we are going to be talking about amounts that are greater than $1. How can you show money amounts greater than $1? So on our listen and draw, you're going to draw these coins. You'll be labeling them, and then I need the total value. And of course, don't forget to put them in value order. Don't forget value order. That's going to be very important. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coins. And I can tell you that it's going to be more than $1. So you're going to have to decide where to put the decimal point and where to put the dollar sign. So you are going to do that. And if you need to pause the video for just a minute so you can copy those down, that would be a good plan. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our next page. It says you are going to write amounts greater than $1. Use the dollar sign and the decimal point. And we have talked about this. The dollar sign tells us that we have something that is more than 99 cents. Anytime we do that, we have to use the dollar sign. If it's less than $1 or less than 100 pennies, we use the cent sign. The decimal point tells that we have $1 whole and 27 cents, and we do use the word "and" when we read the decimal. $1 and 27 cents. So your job is to count with the values and make sure that you identify the values of each of those coins. I want to see the counting down below, and you need to also include this quarter and these 2 pennies. And you're going to do that with this problem as well. These 2 have been done for you so you can see, but I still need you to show those values and show your counting. You're going to do problem number 1. All of these are most likely going to be over $1. And problem number 2, make sure that you show your counting. Let's go ahead and go to the next page. It looks like this time you're going to circle the money that makes $1 and then write the total value of the money shown below. I need you to identify the value of the coins. You don't have enough space to be able to rewrite them, but you can do the counting right across the bottom here. As you count 25, 50, 75, $1, up 10, up 5 more. You're going to do the same thing on problem number 4 and problem number 5. Okay, 6, Martin uses 3 quarters and 7 dimes to pay for a kite. How much money did he use? And you can either draw the coins and add it up, or you can think of what the value of 3 quarters is and what the value of 7 dimes is, and then you could add it together the way we did in Eureka Math using new groups below. All right, let's go to the next page. And then you have Pam has fewer, that's an important keyword, fewer than 9 coins. Oh, sorry, I need to circle that. Fewer than 9 coins. The coins have a total value of $1.15. What coins did she have? So you're going to draw those coins and write a list of her coins. Remember, you're going to have to use less than 9 coins to be able to do this. And if I remember right, let me just take a quick little look. I believe that when you get finished with this, the least number of coins you can do is, I'm going to tell you that you have to use 6 coins to be able to solve this problem. So you're going to make sure that you're using 6 coins to solve that problem. Then Jason put this money in his bank. We have $1 and a quarter and a dime. You're going to have to show the value and then circle either $1.10, $1.15, or $1.05. Jason put how much money into his bank. And then you are coming over, and remember that you're going to do the exit ticket last. So I'm skipping that page, and you're coming over to do this page before the exit ticket. So you've got a problem with Julia and the money in her bank. What's the total value? And then a spiral review of adding using new groups below, and a difference using decomposing a 10 if needed. What number is 100 less than 694? and you're going to write an addition fact that has the same sum as 6 plus 5, and you're going to be using 10 as your add-in, and you're deciding what other add-in needs to go so that both of these have the same sum. So the only difference that we're doing on the lesson for today is that we're going to be working with amounts that are greater than $1. And with that, I am going to tell you to pause the video, and then when you're done with that, you're going to come back and we'll go over it together. So pause the video. Are you back? Okay, let's take a look at how you did. Alrighty, so we had these 10 coins. You needed to line them up in value order, 1, 2, 3 quarters. And of course, when you have written them down, you should cross them off. So I've got 3 quarters. I've got 2 dimes that I've already written down. Looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels. Whoops, sorry, wrong place to cross out. Nickels and 1 penny, now that I have that in value order. So I'm going to show my counting down below. 25 going up 25 is 50. Up another 25 is 75. Up another 10 is 85. Up another 10 is 95. Up a nickel puts me at $1. And notice that I've started to use that decimal point because now I have values that are over $1. From $1 going up 5 more puts me at $1.05. Going up 5 more again puts me at $1.10. Oops, wait a minute. I think I've got a little boo-boo there. Hang on. Yep, I sure did have a little boo-boo, and I just figured out where it was. So I got up to $1.10, and then if I'm going up another 5 cents, puts me at $1.15, and up 1 more penny puts me at $1.16, for a total value of $1.16. If you got that right, congratulations, and you'll probably have a very easy time with the math that you did today. All right, let's go ahead and turn over the page. Here's our counting, 25, 50. Oops, I forgot to do this. 25, 25, 25, 25. Another 25, 1, and 1. Always make sure you show those values. 25, up 25, 50, up another 25 to 75, up another 25 to make an even dollar. If you can count up to $1 first, it makes everything else easier. $1 up 25 is $1.25, up 1 more penny is $1.26, and up to $1.27. And the same thing is true here. This is the equivalent of $1, 25, 10, 10, and a nickel. So a $1 up 25 gives me $1.25, up 10, $1.35, up 10, $1.45, and up 5, $1.50. All right, let's take a look at our next one. So we've got $1 up at 25 gives me $1.25, up another 25 gives me $1.50, up 5, $1.55, up 1 more, $1.56, making sure that you have your decimal point, your dollar sign on the left side or the beginning of the number with 1 full dollar and 56 cents. Let's take a look at the next problem. 25, 50, 75, $1. So there's my dollar right there. So $1. Going up 10 more puts me at $1.10. Up another 10 puts me at $1.20, and another 10 puts me at $1.30. Okay, and continuing on. This time you had to circle the money that made $1. 25, 25, 50, 75, $1. So I circled that. So I've got $1 up 10 gives me $1.10, up another nickel gives me $1.15, for a total of $1.15. $1 up 25 gives me $1.25, up another 25 gives me $1.50, up 10 to $1.60, up 10 more to $1.70, $1.80, up 5 more gives me $1.85, and 1 penny $1.86. I don't have enough room to be able to write that out with it is in value order, just kind of scattered around a little bit, but I was able to go $1, $1.25, $25, $50, $60, $70, $80, $85, $86. And here we have 25. Up 25 gives me 50. Up another 25 gives me 75. 85, 95, $1.05, and finally $1.10. Okay, there are two ways you could have done this problem. It looks like I only did it one way. 3/4 has a value of 75 cents, and 7 dimes has a value of 70 cents. And if I add that, 5 ones and 0 ones is 5 ones, 7 tens and 7 tens is 14 tens, which gives me a total of $1.45. Or you could have drawn out, I didn't really want to draw out 3/4 and 7 dimes because that's 10 coins I'd have to draw, and I didn't really want to, so I figured it out by using addition. All right, continuing on to the next page. Here we go. So this time Pam uses fewer than 9 coins. You cannot have 9 coins. You have to have less than 9 coins, and I believe I told you could do it with the least number of coins would have been 6 coins, and you just had to figure that out. The coins have a total value of $1.15. What coins could she have? You had to draw the coins. If you're looking for the fewest number of coins, which is what you should be doing, 25 up 25 gives me 50, up another 25 gives me 75, up another 25 gives me $1, up 10 gives me $1.10, and 5 more gives me the $1.15 that I am looking for. Okay, and here we have Jason who put money in his bank. So he had $1. Up 25 puts me at $1.25. Up 10 puts me at $1.35. Therefore, the total number of dollars and cents in his bank is $1.35. Okay, now I got to skip the exit ticket because I'm not showing that to you, but you should have done this page. Your value on this one, $1 plus 1/4 plus a dime. $1 up 25 gives me $1.25, up another 10 gives me $1.35. Making sure that you use your dollar sign at the beginning and your decimal point to separate the whole dollars from the pennies or the cents. Okay, in this word problem, you had 79 squash plants and 42 pepper plants in Julia's garden. How many vegetable plants did she have in her garden altogether? 9 ones plus 2 ones is 11 ones. We've done this lots and lots and lots in Eureka Math. And then 7 tens plus 4 tens is, let's see, 7 tens plus 4 tens. 7 tens plus 4 tens is 11 tens plus 1 more 10 gives me 12 tens for a total of 125. Now you're looking for your difference, and of course we're going to have to decompose a 10 because I can't take 7 ones away from 1 1. So I come over to my tens, I decompose a 10. Now I have 5 tens. That group of 10 is coming over into my ones. 1 10 plus 1 1 gives me 11 ones. 11 ones take away 7 ones is 4 ones. And 5 tens take away 2 tens is 3 tens. What number is 100 less than 694? Well, that's easy to do. Don't really need to do it this way, but just to show you, 4 ones take away 0 ones is 4 ones. 9 ones take away 0. Or 9 tens take away 0 tens is 9 tens, and 600s take away 100 gives me 500. But all I have to really do is drop that 100 down by 100, and I have my response. All right, so I'm looking at 10 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 5. Both sides of the equation, oops, not 10. No, both sides of the equation have a value of 11. Therefore, 10 plus 1 would be the add-in that you need to make both sides of the equation have the same value. And with that, I'm going to tell you to have yourself a great day of learning.